Today, I say we stand up and put a stop to boring baked chicken. I mean, enough is enough. So let me introduce you to a dish that's moist, packed with flavor, and it's ready in no time. I know, it sounds too good to be true, but it's not. We start by mixing some ranch dressing, garlic powder, and a touch of cayenne pepper in a shallow dish, and we set it aside. For the breading, we simply crush up some barbecue flavored potato chips. This is also a great way to use up those chips that are crushed in the bottom of the bag. Now, we dip a few chicken breasts into the dressing and then into the crushed chips. Make sure you pat each one gently so the breading really sticks. Once they're coated, onto a baking sheet they go, and we'll bake them off until no pink remains. What we end up with is a tasty spin on fried chicken with a smoky barbecue flavor. The best part is that it's as crunchy on the outside as it is juicy on the inside. You could even serve a little ranch dressing on the side for dipping. To get the recipe for our barbecue chip chicken, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a chip and dip way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.